another video. My name is Zach Hampson, and today we're going to be doing a black and white portrait study. But first, I want to talk about the new brushes I just got stocked up on. If you haven't noticed, I'm actually wearing some brand merch, but all of you probably know Rosemary & Co brushes already. They're a brand that I use personally and have been using for the last like 5 years, 4 years, whatever it is. I don't know how long it is. As you can see, we're not in the studio at the moment. We're actually in the makeshift studio at mine and my fiance's place. So this is why I got the Shard box set up here. I just thought this place would be perfect, you know, just to do a quick little demo study sort of thing and shoot a little video for you guys. So restocked on the brushes. I always use Rosemary & Co brushes, except for recently where I haven't been able to go online order any brushes. I've just been popping into the local art store getting these green type brushes. I don't know what brand they are. This is my plein air setup. It's just a mixture of Filberts, rounds, flat, the Tish brush, the dagger brush. You can see they're pretty dirty, pretty messed up. Nothing in a quick wash can't fix. However, that's not going to stop me from purchasing some brand new brushes. Because you know, it has been a while since I've bought some brand new brushes, so I thought, you know what, why the heck not? Let's go get some. So this is just a whatever brush holder case thing here for the new brushes. As you can see, I've got a mix of brushes here from like fans, rounds, Filberts and flats. Filberts anywhere from very large to very small-ish. And then 2 round brushes here as well, a sort of larger round and a semi-small round as well. Got the fan brush. I just wanted to play with this, honestly. I thought it, you know, I've seen a few people use this on plein air and in portraitist sort of stuff, so I thought, you know, why the heck not? Might be a bit of fun to try this out and get some unique effects with it. And then lastly, the big 2-inch ivory flat brush. This brush is going to come in so handy when it comes to on plein air, bigger studies, bigger paintings, stuff like that. I can cover so much more ground, get some more things down, you know, get that whole canvas down in like a couple of strokes with this whole big bad boy. Huh? Cool. I will be using for this portrait demo the fan brush, the size 4 Filbert, the size 2 Filbert, and the size 3 round brush, as well as my palette knife here. And for the colors, what I will be using for today, like I said, it's going to be a black and white portrait study, so I'll just be using ivory black and titanium white. So without further ado, let's get started. Changed clothes, so don't worry about that. But you can see how I'm going here with the painting so far. Lots of loose brush work, really, because this is just black and white stuff. It's supposed to be just a study sort of thing. I mean, you can take it to like a full-on rendering if you really want to. You can do that. Go for it, by all means. But for me, I just want to do quick studies, initial values, pop in, you know, get down those values as quick as I can, and get the form and shapes the way that I want, and sort of go from there. that's what I really want out of these sorts of studies. I'll do another one so we can get like 2 little studies in as well. That's my thought process when I'm going through this sort of stuff, is to think about things like that. Bigger 2-inch flat here that I'm gonna actually use in a second here to just sort of sweep across the background and sort of make nice unique shapes and stuff. That's what we do here when we're painting Alla Prima. Lots of switching around. I think I've only been painting for maybe 30 minutes, I think 30 minutes so far. Back into it, gonna start sweeping across the 2-inch, get some really unique, interesting shapes through the background which don't take away from the figure. So let's go do that. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this one here. Let's stop it there, let that be as is, pick up another panel, let's do another one, and continue on with what we've been doing. Happy with this, how this has come out. I'm happy to leave it as is, as a nice little study sort of thing. Yeah, it's cool, great little study. I think I got the values and stuff pretty good, compositionally wise and proportionately wise, pretty good. You know, I'm happy to just leave that study as is. Let's get another one going. And that is it, everybody. That is the black and white color study done and dusted. Keep these loose, keep these ugly. These aren't supposed to be finished works. You want to be able to pump out, you know, a couple of these at a time. Spend like 40 minutes. Each one of these, I spent like 40 minutes on them max. And look, with 2 colors, you can go quickly like that. Make your brush work nice and loose and expressive, you know, get help with your brush work as well as like seeing value with the black and white tone. Brush work gets looser as well, and you know, these 2 things with that speed, you know, loosens you up. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video was enjoyable. Overall, I hope you got a lot out of it as well. I'm going to be trying to do a lot more of these types of tutorial videos, you know, things that can really help you with your painting when it comes to your painting going forward in the future. So this will be part of one of those Let's Paint videos, my tutorial series here on YouTube. So when you see the title Let's Paint, you know that this tutorial side of things. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought about this practicing method, this like sort of quick sketch method, this warm-up method, whatever you want to call it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this method, and if you try it, let me know how that goes for you as well. Other than that, hit subscribe if you aren't subscribed, hit like if you haven't hit like already, but most importantly, go over to my website right now, sign up to the newsletter. That way I can send you the free referenced images for these paintings I do in the future, as well as a 24-hour early access to all my videos here on YouTube. So go over, do yourself a favor, sign up to the newsletter on my website, ZachHampsonArtist.com. Sign up section, jump on that. Other than that, I'll catch you all in the next video.